Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 13 of the 100 rep challenge. Today we're working the legs. It's a great finisher for the legs, one of my favorite exercises that emphasizes on the booty and the hamstrings. We're doing lean forward lunges. We're gonna alternate the legs for 100 reps. Are you ready? You are. So reverse lunge, and we're gonna lean forward, keeping the knee just over the ankle, keeping the back straight, keeping the back leg straight as possible. Okay, let's go. Let's do 100 reps. Off we go. Ten. 20. 30. 40. 50. Oh. Take a moment. Take your time, catch your breath. Okay, we're doing 50 more. Ready? Ten. 20. 30. 40. 100. Yay! Okay, that was it. Day 13 is in the books. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this one. Go enjoy your day. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 14.